Hola. Hello. In this session, we explore greetings in Spanish. The first common greeting is hola. Used to say hello in various situations. Let's learn how to use it. Hola. Good morning. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días is a common greeting used in the morning. Buenos días in Spanish is expressed as buenos días. Use this to start your day positively. Buenos días. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon is a friendly greeting used during the daytime. Buenas tardes is help you connect with others and express warm and casual conversations. Buenas tardes, making interactions more pleasant. Good night. Buenas noches. Good night is a common farewell used in the evening. Buenas noches is a way to wish someone a peaceful rest, saying buenas noches in Spanish. Goodbye. Adios. Saying goodbye, adios, is an important part of the communication. In Spanish, adios is a friendly way to express farewell and wish someone well on their journey. Adios. See you later. See you later or hasta luego is a friendly way to say goodbye, indicating that you expect to meet again soon. Hasta luego is a casual and warm